Wow, it's exactly what it looks like I'm doing. I'm cleaning, disinfecting my kitchen. What can we do for our families here at home? My name's Gordon Van Fleet. Today I'm going to show you how to disinfect and clean your kitchen to help protect your family from cold and flu. It's cold and flu season here, the middle of the winter, and not only should you keep your kitchen clean for aesthetic purposes, but also you should keep it clean to disinfect it, protect your investment, and more importantly, protect the health of your family and friends. You might ask, with all these cleaners available, where do we start to clean the kitchen? If it is cold and flu season, you do have people that are very sick and coughing around you, a mask is always a good idea. All the healthcare workers wear them in the hospitals and highly infectious areas. Might be appropriate occasionally for you to do that in a home, depending on your situation. When I'm cleaning my kitchen, I try to keep it simple. I use vinegar, excellent for cleaning windows, also good for demineralizing if you have hard water deposits. There's products that contain bleach. You have these wipes, they're antibacterial. Bleach is a good product for killing germs. This comes from a dollar store. This got bleach in it and oxygen, which helps kill germs. Of course, you can get many higher priced brand name products. That's your choice. This one here is like a soft scrub. It's also from the dollar store. Has bleach in it as well. If you use bleach products, you want to be cognizant of the materials that you're putting it on. Certain finishes on wood or butcher block countertop, you could cause discoloration if you use too much bleach. So you want to be careful of the materials that you're using that on. Another product, if you do have wood cabinets or butcher block top or cutting boards, I typically use vinegar. I wipe off the crumbs, I spray it down with vinegar, wipe it off. Vinegar is a product you can eat, so it's safe. And then this is an orange oil product, which is also food grade and safe. If after you've cleaned it, you wipe it down with some oil, you're going to get that natural luster and protection, which is so important with your wood products and finishes. If you have stainless steel or formica or granite, then that's not necessary. Finally, baking soda is a great product to use in your sink. It's a little gritty, so it's going to help clean. And when you rinse it down your sink, it's going to help disinfect your traps and clean out your traps, which is so important. Refrigerators also need your love. Maybe you've got children, they come down and they got their fingers on your refrigerator, or maybe your dog licks it, or maybe that chicken casserole just exploded and got stuff all over your refrigerator. They should be wiped down. I use vinegar on stainless steel surfaces because it leaves a nice sparkle. It's fingerprint free when you get done. Inside your refrigerator, you might want to hit the seals on the door. A lot of times bacteria, mold gets caught up in the seal of the door. Inside, you should remove everything from the refrigerator, wipe down your shelves and so forth. Interior wise, I would use a product that has bleach in it. That's going to clean it and disinfect it better than anything else. We're done cleaning the kitchen. Hope you learned something today. All the ways to disinfect and clean your cabinets and appliances. After you've washed your hands, you want to use a lotion. I'm using one with aloe vera in it. It helps replenish your skin, put the flora back in it, replenish the oils. It'll make you feel a lot better. In future videos, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your hinges, your drawers, how to fix broken parts, how to repair the finish if there's nicks and bruises, child-proof locks, that sort of thing. Probably review a bunch of kitchen products as well. If you have any comments or questions regarding cleaning your kitchen or anything else related to kitchens, please comment below, ask questions, make comments, they're all appreciated. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit the like button. Well, I've got to get back to work. I'm out of here.